sunlight beams, a gentle meow like a song in dreams. He leaps and spins, my fluffy friend, this playful cat with joy to send. Cat dreams, bringing joy each day. Tiny paws, chasing clouds away. They jump and play with sparkles in their eyes. Silly little cats, making spirits rise. Running through halls, chasing rays of light. They search for wonders, both day and night. Sliding like dancers across the shiny floor. The cat parade we just adore. Cat dreams, bringing joy each day. Tiny paws, chasing clouds away. They jump and play with sparkles in their eyes. Silly little cats, making spirits rise. Gather round, let the cats perform. Purring in rhythm, a joyful storm. Under the moon and the starry sky, we laugh and cheer as they pass by. Cat dreams, bringing joy each day. Tiny paws, chasing clouds away. They jump and play with sparkles in their eyes. Silly little cats, making spirits rise. With laughter and purrs, we feel so alive. Cats are friends, help our joy survive. Cat dreams, may they all come true. Together with them in all we do.